Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some Jamaican Brown Stew Pork, and here I have all my ingredients that I'll use. I have approximately 3 pounds of pork that I've washed and cleaned. I have the walkerswood jerk seasoning, thyme leaves, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, sazon Classico all-purpose seasoning, salt, browning, tomato ketchup, tomatoes, onions, carrots, potatoes, pimento seeds, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet, bell peppers and scallions. So I'm going to go ahead and season my pork, and just in case you need the full ingredients, it will be listed in the description box below. So make sure to go ahead and check it out. After adding all your seasonings, you want to get in with your hand so that you can rub the pork and the seasoning all together. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to cover the pork and put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. You can choose to do it overnight if you like. The pork has been sitting for 3 hours, so I'm going to remove the cover, and I will also set a pot on the stove with some oil. And then I will be adding my pork to the oil when it's hot. So I'm going to flip my pork on the other side because I don't want them to get burned. I just want them to change color a little. So I went ahead and I removed all the pork from the pot and I discard some of the oil. So now I'm going to add the pork back to the pot along with the seasonings that I added earlier. And also I will add some water, some boiling water, along with some ketchup and some browning. So I give it a proper stir and I'm going to cover it and leave it to sit. I'm now going to stir it up and add my vegetables along with some more water so that this pork can continue to cook and the vegetables can get the flavor from all that seasoning that I add to the pork. So at this point I have to add some more water because my pork was not tender enough. So at this point my gravy is a bit thin, so I'm going to turn the stove down and leave it on a little longer so that my gravy can thicken up a little. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove off because the cooler this gets, the thicker the gravy will become. So there you have my Jamaican brown stew pork. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.